Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. Today, we are excited to showcase our exceptional solid WPC doors specifically designed for bathrooms. With our WhatsApp API account, we will be sharing detailed information about our products and services directly with you. Let's get started. We manufacture solid WPC doors in standard and customized sizes to cater to your unique requirements. Our bathroom doors are made from solid WPC material, which is fully waterproof, termite-proof, and fire-redundant. Choose from multiple standard sizes, customized sizes, designs, and thickness options to find the perfect door for your bathroom. Our solid WPC doors come in 2D design, 3D design, and engraved design, fully finished with pre-paint options for both interior and exterior applications. Plus, with our latest UV printer, we can create custom prints on your doors for a truly unique touch. Our UV coating on the doors ensures extra durability, which is why we confidently provide a 15-year warranty on our doors. Enjoy the long-lasting beauty and protection of Sehrawat Brothers solid WPC doors. Our pre-painted, fully finished solid WPC bathroom doors not only look stunning but also offer a hassle-free installation process. Save time and effort with our doors that require no additional painting or finishing work. We provide free and secure home delivery of our products, complete with 100% insurance coverage all over India. Enjoy factory pricing and the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these exceptional solid WPC doors. If you have any questions, simply type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. We're here to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. Thank you for choosing Sehrawat Brothers for your solid WPC bathroom door needs. Visit our website or connect with us on WhatsApp to explore our collection. Namaskar and Jai Hind.